Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network error in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Open Wi-Fi, click Manage Known Networks. Click Forget All Managed Networks. Click Show Available Networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and connect. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Search automatically for drivers. Seventh method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.